to solve complex and difficult sums of ninth class ICSE Mathematics. Let's begin with exercise 1B. I am not solving the exercise 1A as it is very easy to solve. Now begin with first sum. As you are watching that the first sum was bracket start 2 plus under root 2 whole square, and I have solved it. Students, you should learn all the formulas regarding a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, solve these. 2 square is equal to 4. Here is under root and here is square, so 2 will come out of this, and after solving this it will become 4 under root 2. That will become 6 plus 4 under root 2. Here you cannot solve this under root, so it is an irrational number. The second sum of the first sum is 3 minus under root 3 whole square, and the formula for that is a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So you can put all these things here. A square plus b square minus 2ab. This will become 9. 3 minus 6 under root 3. This will become 12 minus 6 under root 3. I have already told you in the previous sum that by square and under root both are cancelled and only 3 will come out of this. In the previous question it had also happened there, so I think you have understood this thing. Now I am going to again solve it. Now we just have to state whether this number is rational or not. So under root 3 is here, which cannot be solved further. So this is not a rational number. You can write here. In this third sum, you have to apply this formula a plus b into a minus b. It will become a square minus b square. So you can put this here. It will become 5 square minus under root 5 square. So it will become 25 minus 5, which will become 20, which is a rational number. I am not going to solve the fourth sum as it is very simple and resemble like second sum, so you can solve it by yourself. अब मैं fifth sum को solve करने जा रहा हूँ. Just look at there. Here 3 raised to power 2 becomes 9 and 2 raised to power 2 becomes 4, and under root and square this will become 4 into 2. That will become 9 upon 8, which is a rational number. Again, I am not going to solve the sixth sum as it is very simple. ये पांचवें सम फिफ्थ सम की तरह ही easy है, so you can solve it on your own. Now we will jump to the second part of this exercise. In the second sum, we have to find the square of given numbers. So let's begin with here 3 raised to power 2 becomes 9 and under root, and this square cancels each other, एक दूसरे को कट कर देंगे. सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बात करूं तो 5/25 it will become 45. We can cancel this 5 and 5, it will become 9/5. Further 4/5. Here you just need to find the square of given numbers, so you need not to state whether it is a rational or irrational number. Here again a square plus b square plus 2ab. So three plus 2 plus 2. Now they can have the operation as it is a multiplication, so it will become under root 6. 5 plus 2 under root 6. Third and fourth parts are very similar to each other, so I am not going to solve them. You will do it on your own. आप इसे खुद ही solve करें. Now third sum में आते हैं. State in each case whether true or false. First, under 2 plus under root 3 is equal to under root 5. Yes, it is false. Second sum, 2 under root 4 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Let's solve it. Here 2 will come out of this, plus 2 equals to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So it is true. In the third sum, 3 under root 7 minus 2 under root 7 is equal to under root 7. Obviously it is true. The fourth sum is 2/7 is an irrational number. When we solve it, then we will find that it will become a reoccurring number, because it is reoccurring and non-terminating, hence it is rational number. The next one is when we divide 5 from 11, we find that the result is reoccurring, so it is a rational number, hence it is true. The sixth is all rational numbers are real numbers, which is true. All real numbers are rational number, which is false. And the last is some real numbers are rational numbers, which is true.